Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I found 5 incredible and free apps you might know about, including the way you can control your PC and take back your smartphone privacy. And if you love discovering useful apps that fly under the radar, you are in the right place. And all the links and everything will be linked in the description below, including download links for these apps for the rest of my videos as well. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And for disclaimer purpose, these videos are for education purpose only. Once that's out of the way, let's go install some crazy free apps. Let's go. Okay, number 1 in a list. This is going to be a game changer. It's called a Gadgetsbridge. So Gadgetsbridge, this is going to be one of the great applications you can install on your Android device that will give you a very good thing. Let me explain you what it is. Are you using a Mi Band, Amazon Fitbit, Pebble, or any sort of a health tracker, and you are sick and tired of providing your data to the manufacturer? Guess what? This app will avoid that. So that means Gadgetsbridge is your answer. It's completely free, open source, and let you connect this device directly to the phone without an official vendor app. That's going to be a cool one, isn't it? You're still going to get a notification, you're still going to get an alarm, sleep tracking, and basic control, but you stay in control of your data, which is a great thing. It's amazing for privacy and even breathing a new life if you have an older anything else watches lying around at your house without any official apps. So let me explain you what it is. Let's go through it together. First of all, if you go in this 3-bar menu on the left, you'll see settings, debugging, data management, connect a new device you want to quit. If you want to help this developer to donate something, you are more than welcome to do so. If you're going to go press about, you can see it's open source available. So if you press plus and then you're going to press allow. So what happens is you'll be able to connect with the multiple devices if you have any sort of a device. For instance, it's scanning with the Bluetooth, and usually if you have any things like those watches, guess what? It has its own proprietary app and it needs that app to connect it, but this one will avoid everything. That means you can directly connect. If there's anything linked here at the moment, I have turned it on supported devices here, and as well you can turn it off and then you can see which one is supported straight off the bat. So this is going to be a connect good one. I don't have any at the moment, but once if I have any, I will make a shorts and I'll link with this video as well. So it's going to be a cool one. So this is a good one. Give it a try, and let's move into app number 2. Number 2 in a list, this is called HopToDesk. HopToDesk, it is a remote connection but open source and supercharged. So this is going to be alternative for your TeamViewer or any desk. It doesn't provide any sort of information or anything like that. It has a versatile platform. That means you can use Windows, Linux, Mac, and even Android device as well. You can connect this device, and then you can be a host, or somebody can be a host as well. So that means if you have a friends and family members who constantly need a tech support, guess what? This is going to be an alternative for that. There's no ad, no bloatware, nothing like that. You're going to go in settings and have a look. There are a couple of things. You can automatically record income session. If you want to just record the session and then you want to capture it, and then you can send that friends or family members who you're helping with, or maybe to somebody else, that if you have any problem, this is how you're going to solve the solution. And what directly is going to save into two-factor authentication if you want to do that. Deny LAN discovery. If you want to deny that, you can do that. Enable recording session, direct IP address. If you have a static IP address, then you can use that. Automatically close incoming session of user inactive, you can do that. And then start and boot as well, you can do that as well. Floating window, you can do that. And version, you can see that one here. So in terms of connection, you go here. At first, you might have to put your remote ID here, which could be blank at first, and there will be a password on your host machine. So you get that remote ID from your host machine. That means the machine you want to connect with, which could be Windows, Mac, or Linux, anything. And once you get it, there will be a little password on the bottom section as well. You get the password, you press connect, and make sure it is open on the other side. Later you can set it up as a boot application. You can turn it on, and you can see right here my screen is up. So you can go here, you can set up a resolution depending on like your liking as well. If you go here again, and then you can see you can mute, disable clipboard, lock after session end, true, like there's a whole bunch of things, and you can see there's no bloatware here, which is a fantastic tool. And if you go here, as password, set clipboard strike, reset canvas. If you want to restart the device again, you don't have to ask that person, whoever you're supporting, to restart it. You can restart it on your own. You can connect it on your own as well, so which is unattended access. And if you want to go right here, which is touch control, you want to go mouse, you want to get a touch control, you can do that as well. And there are a bunch of commands up there as well. You can select any command. You want to press control shift or anything depending on what device you use, you can do that as well. And then pretty much like if you want to end the session, you can end the session at any time. So if I want to say I want to restart the device connection, I'll press OK, wait for a few seconds. you can see the device is turned off, and will start up the connection on the host machine as well. So this is going to be alternative, and it don't have to be in the same network in order for you to access it. That's the important thing. Usually somebody provides you free, like TeamViewer is great, don't take me wrong, but it has a bunch of bloatware and things like that, so I prefer this one rather than that. Give it a try. Comment down below if this is going to be your next favorite application or not. Let's move on to app number 3 now. Number 3 in the list, this is for network tech savvy. So you can see I've set up as an authentication with my fingerprint. So this is going to be a great network tool. Proxmox, so if you SSH into server, or if you have a home lab or things like that, and I feature multiple applications like this in my channel, but this particular app, like a packs a punch, gives you essential utilities like to check if the device is online, trace route to see the path your data takes, a port scanner, wake and LAN, and maybe even SSH to a client in one machine. So it's an incredible, useful tool for your home lab or home Wi-Fi, even to check the service status, or even to understand your network better. A real pocket knife for network tasks. You can grab this from Play Store or some different website as well, and in the link in the description. So let's go see what it actually packs. So first of all, connection wise, you can press manage, press plus, set up a name, whatever name you want to use it, username, whatever username you have it. If you have a host, which is 192.168. Whatever address and what port you are on, and the password as well. Once you do that, and what you could do is you can see the real-time information of that particular machine. So that's going to be a host machine. For example, I got one of those server running. What you could do is you press more and you can see system information, operating system, BIOS information, CPU information, and if you have a GPU and memory, it will provide the GPU and memory information at the same time. And if you go into system use, you can see a system resources detail that will show you the CPU users, memory use, swap use as well, and you can see top 5 processes by memory. So is there any application that's running in the background taking a lot of in terms of memory? Guess what, you can check it here, and you can go back in the server and do the maintenance as well. And top 5 processes by swap, which is just a memory, virtual memory as well, and it will show you where it is. So this application will actually help you to check your network status. It's just a dashboard for you, so you can see what is happening with your home lab or with your system or any sort of a client you're going to use it for. Give it a try, comment down below, and let me know if you like this application or not, or which one is your favorite one. Let's move on to app number 4. Number 4 on the list is called BT Remote, which is called Bluetooth Remote. So this is going to be a crazy one. Think like even you are sitting in a lounge, you're watching a movie on your PC, and you wish you could pause it without getting up. Guess what? This is going to be a great solution for you. This app turns your phone into a wireless keyboard, mouse, and multimedia control for your computer using a Bluetooth. I'm going to demonstrate to you right now. So I've set up this one on my Mac. That means there's no application running in the Mac. However, this application running in my Android. So if I go here, press my Mac, I'm going to go boom. You can see it is connected here. I can play, pause, any sort of a multimedia if I have, or if I want to do remote control, I can run my remote here. So that means it's going to be my mouse pad. I can pull up my keyboard. I can do keyboard things. So this is going to be a free solution for you. If you go into settings here, system thing, very clean setting here. You're going to set up full screen, use a minimalistic interface, does not display the TV channel button. You want to set it up, you can set it up as well. D-pad or touchpad, so you're going to go D-pad or touchpad, whichever you like it. A pointer speed, which is your mouse speed, how fast you want it. It's called DPI. So inverted scroll direction, so like if you're using Mac, and then you scroll up, it goes up, you scroll down, it goes down. But Windows is a bit different, so you can invert that as well. Using gyroscope to control the mouse, you can just gyroscope tilt back and forth. Advanced keyboard, you want to set up advanced keyboard, you can set it up, and then obviously you can go in a website and source code as well. So you can see these are the library for that one. So again, it is open source as well, available on to download by anybody. Give it a try. Comment down below if this is going to be your next favorite while you're sitting down and sipping a coffee and you want to change, music or something. So let's move into app number 5 now. And finally, an endless supply of audio stream, the radio. So this is the app number 5. So forget about juggling multiple radio app. This is going to be a free and open source, has a huge online directories to bring thousands of internet radio stations. You can see this is just a normal station. You can add, if you go here on the 3-dot bar, you can press play, search Radio Garden. This is a huge library for radio as well. You can add, modify. If you're the person who likes to set up alarm, you can set up alarm here while listening to radio, you want to fall asleep with a sleep timer, you can set that up. If you want to export this station, which is your URL, you can set it up. Export input, you want to report anything, make sure provide the support to those developer. And if you press open, so this is licensed for open sources. Again, I love open source application because of this. There's a plenty of application that people actually work on it, and then we as a user, we have like rights to give them a feedback if there's anything that's not working. Trust me, this is going to be a great one. It is available, and obviously check the link in the description below, and you can play anything. Matter of fact, you can set up this, so that means you can cast this to your TV or to the device that actually which is just transmitting services, and you can play to your device of your like as well. Okay, these sums are my total top 5 must-have Android application. They are incredible, free and open source. Comment down below which one is your favorite one. I like hearing your thoughts in the comments as well, and if there's anything that I can do, comment down below as well, guys. Meanwhile, be happy, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.